Nourish, exfoliate and even tone. Who doesn't want such kind of skin? I mean, this is really very important when it comes to skincare, and all these three are very important. So here I am presenting a new brand by the name of Nude, and I've placed the order for two of my products which I really want in my daily skincare routine. So first happens to be the face mask, and the face mask consists of all the essential vitamins and minerals. It is made of for to purify, hydrate and revitalize the skin. I think this particular brand offers the goodness of milk and other enriching ingredients, providing a luxurious and effective treatment of the skin. So I'm looking forward to use the face mask, and in case if you're interested, please do drop a comment and I'll let you know the review of the face mask. The second product that I've ordered is an SPF. This happens to be a sunscreen, and it will, as we all know, sunscreen is required to protect your skin for the anti-aging benefits. And we do get cancer through skin through sun. I'm not saying that we should be against sun, but sun rays are really very harsh during this particular season, especially from 12 to 4 p.m. so we should avoid it. And this particular sunscreen range is enriched with the milk-based ingredients which protect us from the harmful UV rays and the environmental damage. As we all know, sunscreen happens to be an integral part of our daily skincare routine. We should not even skip when we are indoors as well. It's just not for outdoors, it's for indoors as well. I am really looking forward to use both of their products from this particular brand called Nude. And in case if you're really interested, please do, as I mentioned before as well, please drop a comment and I'll let you know the reviews of this particular products that I've used. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll come again with some more interesting brand, and I'll review the products that I've placed the order with other brands as well. Hope you have a great evening. Thank you. Bye bye.